I visited Allentown one time before I decided to take the position. I've been able to see the lens of a visitor. I think a lot of people don't recognize. Allentown is the third largest city in Pennsylvania. We have amenities within this area that bigger Tier 1 cities also have.
I would invite people to think bigger about what's in Allentown. I have worked downtown for 3 years now.
I do live in Allentown. I do work in the Allentown area.
Obviously, it's very cost effective to work where you live.
I chose Allentown because of its walkability to my workplace. I work about a block and a half from where I currently live.
Where I'm at, I'm literally right there by two major transportation hubs. The ATC would be the Allentown Transportation Center, and then I have Greyhound Station right here.
Being a business owner, there's no better place than a place like Allentown because it is an incubator for small businesses.
It's happening right now and it's happening here, and it's happening with welcome and open arms for people to get more involved.
I think because Allentown is such a diverse place and it mirrors the world at large, we are going to have a tremendous global impact.